Instantly elevate your Webflow site's visual appeal by mastering the art of rounded images. Let's dive into how to transform those standard square images into beautifully rounded elements, adding a touch of modern polish. First, select the image element you want to round in your Webflow project. You can find this in your canvas, or by selecting it directly from the navigator panel on the left. Once your image is selected, head over to the Style tab in your Element Settings panel. Look for the border section. Here, you'll find the border radius property to create a perfectly round image. You'll want to enter a value that is at least half the width or height of your image. A good starting point is often a large number, like 500 px. Notice the little chain icon next to the input field. This links all 4 corners for a perfectly round circle. We want to ensure all corners have the same radius if your image isn't perfectly square. You'll adjust these individually later, but for a circle, keep them linked for now. As you input that value, you'll instantly see your image transform into a smooth, circular shape on the canvas. This simple adjustment adds a significant amount of visual refinement. This technique is perfect for profile pictures, logos, or any graphical element where you want to create a softer, more contemporary look. You can experiment with different values to create rounded rectangles as well. But for that perfect circle, aim for a high px value. This subtle change makes a big difference in your website's overall design. And there you have it, a circumflex euros. How to easily create stunning rounded images in Webflow, giving your website a modern and polished edge. Happy designing!